Hello students, we will continue the story today. Last day you saw that the narrator's grandfather actually bought that monkey whose name was Toto from a Tonga driver. And from how much sum he actually bought the monkey? He actually bought it from 5 rupees. Now let's see, read the second paragraph. What happens there? Toto was a pretty monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, and his teeth, which were a pearly white, were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. But his hands looked dried up as though they had been picked in the sun for many years. Yet his finger, as though it had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks, also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. So now, student, in this paragraph, a description has been given to you about the Toto. So Toto was what kind of monkey? Toto was a pretty monkey. It means it was a good looking monkey. It was not a bad looking monkey. It was good, pretty monkey. And how's its eyes were? Its eyes were, its eyes has a spark in it. Eyes sparkled means there was a light, there was a sign, and there was a brightness in its eyes. That's what it means to say. But his eyes also shows his mischief behavior. There was a spark in its eyes, and beneath deep eyebrows you can see the mischief also in his eyes, the naughtiness that a naughty child it so through its eyes. An eye expresses our behavior also, what kind of person are we. So the Toto was a very mischievous monkey that you can see in his eyes also. And how was his teeth? His teeth were pearly white. Pearly white means to say that it was white like pear. Pear is a fruit, you would have seen that. So it was pearly white, and it was actually very often displayed in a smile. And his eyes are generally displayed whenever the monkey used to smile. And this smile, as his teeth was pearly, his smile, actually Toto's smile, can frighten whom can Toto's smile fright. It was actually the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies who can get frightened by seeing the smile of Toto. The Toto's smile can fright the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. And who are the Anglo-Indian ladies? Anglo-Indian ladies, in student, the British ladies who are living in India is actually known as Anglo-Indian ladies. They can get very scared of that monkey's smile. And how his hands actually looked. His hands was very dried, and it feels that his hands was as dried as it had been pickled. Pickled means, student, that when you are making a pickle, you have to dry it in the sun. So when something has been dried up in the sun like pickles, then we can use the word pickle as verb. So when it is said that the monkey's hand was actually dried up like pickle, it was pickled in the sun. So it feels like the way it was dried up, his hands was so dried that it felt that his hands actually pickled in the sun for many years. But yet his fingers were quite quick, and wicked also. He can just catch whatever it wants to catch, and actually and grandfather, the narrator's grandfather, also believed that a monkey can get beautiful if its tail, makes it a beautiful. If an animal has a beautiful tail, then the animal would definitely look beautiful. And from his hand, and actually this tail not only was beautiful for the Toto, but it also served him as his third hand, because with the help of this tail, he can hang from the branches of tree, and then he can also pluck any thing that he wants to eat, any delicacy, means the things, the sweet tasty things that he wants to eat, he can also pluck that from his tail. As you already know that monkey uses his tail for various things. Not only it was not only a thing of showcasing for them, it was actually a very useful thing for monkeys.